Well, welcome back, everybody. Let's go ahead and follow up on yesterday's video here. So, as we talked to you about, sure enough, we hit that resistance on the weekly SPY. We're pulling back from it right now. Same thing on the daily basis. You can see we actually opened up looking strong out of the gate, only to pull right back down into the same resistance that we told you about here. So, as we've said, it's very potent, very powerful resistance, and it continues to be so to this moment. So, there's a lot of things I'm looking at here, whether it's from an intraday basis on the futures contracts, or it's on an end of day basis looking for runaways. If we can go ahead and start to break out to the upside there, and of course there's inverse ETFs for watching for downside or upside breakouts on the inverse side. So there's a lot going on, a lot that I'm looking at here. With 5 minutes to go in the market here, I'm done for the day. If you guys like to know how I'm trading the market, what I'm looking at, the strategies I'm using with this, make sure you come to Wednesday's very special event. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. It's been over 8 months. It was in the beginning of December of last year, the last time I taught this very special class. And this is one of those classes really for all traders at all different levels. So this is going to be a really powerful class. It will not be recorded, will not be sent out. You guys know I don't do that. I'd love to have you there live, and I will take all the time in the world to answer your questions and answer your needs and give you the best information I know to carry us on into the rest of the year. So very special class coming up here this coming Wednesday, 2 days from now, and you're not going to want to miss it. 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific, and that's at becomeabettertrader.com/go. And I'll look forward to seeing you at that. And then we'll talk about what I'm looking at, how I'm doing it, what I'm focusing on, and the things that you can learn from it. You guys have a great night. I will look forward to seeing you in the upcoming trading sessions and the classes here Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.